name is Kelsey and I am a service learner with CSUMB College Core. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami fidget button toy, kind of like this one. So to start off, you're going to need 3 different pieces of origami paper. You can do whatever colors you want. I'm just going to do all 3 the same color. And to start off, you're going to need one piece of paper that's smaller than the rest. So you're going to want to cut 1 inch off of each side. So I'll show you how to do that first.
So to start off, you have your 3 different pieces of paper. I'm going to use one different color piece of paper as the inside part of the button. So it's going to look like this, and this one is going to be the smaller box. So how I'm going to make this piece smaller is I am just cutting 1 inch off of each side. So I just measured 1 inch from each side. Just like that, and then I'm just gonna cut along both of these lines so that I have a smaller piece of paper. So now I've cut both of those pieces off, and these are just going to be scraps, so we can just put those to the side. And to start off, we are going to fold the paper in half, and then we're going to open it up, fold it in half the other way. Then we're going to fold it diagonally in both directions. So this way and then the other way. Next, we're going to open it back up and fold all of the corners to the center. Just like that, and then we're gonna fold it into thirds in both directions as well. So I'm just gonna start upwards. I'm gonna fold it 1/3 of the way up and then fold the top down, just like that. And then I'm just gonna unfold it and turn it, and then do the same thing. So it's folding from the bottom up about 1/3 of the way, and then folding the top over it. And then we're gonna unfold it, and then I'm gonna unfold the top and the bottom triangle like that. And then I'm gonna keep this center section creased downward. So I'm gonna fold along this and just recrease it so that we know that that's the way it's gonna fold in. And then we're gonna start creating a little box. So you're gonna take each of these corners that have the triangle overlapping it, and you're gonna squash fold. So you're gonna push it inside and fold this part up. And then same thing with the other side. So you're gonna fold it over itself and then crease it. And then with the top part, you're just gonna fold it down all the way and then just crease it, just like that. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna push in this side, like that, and fold it over itself. Same thing with the other side, like that. And then just tuck this into the inside and crease it all the way down. So now we have the top little box to the button part, and we can just set that off to the side. Now we're gonna repeat the same exact steps, but on the bigger piece of paper. So you can fold in half in both directions. And then fold diagonally in both directions. Then open it up. And then you're gonna fold all of the corners to the center. And then we can leave them folded in. And then we're gonna fold into thirds. So I start from the bottom, folding up a third. And then folding the top down over it. And then open it up and open this side. And then fold over. Down again. And then same thing here, I'm gonna open the bottom and the top triangle and then recrease the middle section. Just like that. And then same thing, so we're gonna squash fold these two triangles. So we're gonna squeeze it right here and crease. Squeeze this one in and crease. And then we're gonna fold the top down over itself. And just squeeze it so it stays in place. And then we're gonna turn it around and do the same thing with the other side. So we're going to squash, fold it in. And crease, and then we're gonna fold this side in as well. Crease, and then same thing, fold the top over itself. And down. And we can kind of tuck the inside in so that it's not popping out like that. Just crease them a little bit extra. Just like that. So, and then your top part can just fit inside just like that. Now, to make it so that this is springy in the inside, we're gonna take the last piece of paper that we have and just kind of fold it like an accordion. So I just fold it back and forth the whole way across. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just folding it over itself over and over again. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing but long ways. So I'm just gonna fold it just a little bit like this over itself. So it's kind of creating a little pattern just like that. Okay, now once you have your paper folded just like this, you're just gonna set it in the inside of your little box and kind of close the top over it. Just like this. And you can kind of squeeze your side so that it makes it a little bit more secure. And then you have your little button, just like that. And
now you have your own little origami button fidget toy. So thank you for watching.